Alright, this is Penguin Ghost, and today I'm going to be showing you the whole Scratch website. Now, last video, I made a project about the profile page. I'm pretty sure there wasn't really, the title wasn't very attractive looking. So what I did, I just went through these, changed the logo, about me, featured project, everything. But this video, I'm just going to go along the top, show you how to do everything. So this is the main page. On your new Scratcher, it'll look like this, with featured projects, featured studios, and then popular users curate projects, and they're also on the front page. There's also remixing and loving, and stuff like that. So that's that. Now you can learn how to make a project, all that. This, well, usually it'll have updates from the people you're following, and like if they've shared a project or favorited it or loved it or commented it, I don't know, anything really. So that's that. But when you're a new Scratcher, I don't think it does that, because as you can see, still new Scratcher. So you have to wait a little bit. It'll give you an invitation if you want to become a Scratcher, so you can start doing that. But alright, let's continue. So that's the main page right here. So then this one is create. It makes a new project for you. And then so yeah, it just basically generates a new project. It's not shared yet, so you don't have to worry about that. And it starts out with the cat and everything. So this, well, I'll get into that later. So then you can just do that. I'll make that later. And then this explore button. So this is all the projects. These are a bunch of featured projects that people have made recently. And this is most recently shared projects, or you can select most viewed or anything, most loved, most remixed. And then this is like all the projects that have been shared in order of like what time. So this one was made the most recently, and the ones at the bottom would probably be made like forever ago. Well, no, because there's so many people doing Scratch, make so many projects. I'll bet if I reloaded it. Nope, never mind. Alright. Anywho, so we have animations. This is like people that make animations on Scratch. This is their projects. And then art. And things like this. Wait for it to load. And it's just art. That's all it is. So I'm just going to go back to Explore. And then games are what it says it is. Games. Like this. Now lots of these projects are people that are new to Scratch and they're not very complicated. Unlike lots of projects that I've seen, like you can use arrow keys to move. That looks sort of weird, but you know, whatever. And this is music. This is for a great. We'll just try this, and then you can run the project, and then if you see something you like, you can look at it, do anything. So these are stories. These are like, I guess they're animations, but like a story, you know? I don't know. And these are all English ones. And I think if you choose a different language down the bottom, of course it won't let me now, but it'll say created in whatever language you're viewing it in that language. And then you can use these tags like press tag, go. And you have all these tags and all these projects, and you'll notice each of them has a tag that says tag. Now I think I touched on it in my previous video, but like if you want to do say game, You just press go. Like, you'll get all these games. Well, not necessarily games, but if you put game on a tag, it usually means it's a game. So yeah, that's the whole explore thing. So discuss, it's like forums. If you know about forums, you'll know what I mean. It's just talking about everything in Scratch, you know, new stuff. Don't really use it much. About, let's see, it's just telling you about it. You can look there if you want. Maybe watch that video, I don't know. And it's weird, sometimes, like when you're on the main page, the toolbar looks like that, but when you're, say, in explore mode, it turns to a deeper blue and different font and everything. So let's see, next we have help, and there's just all those. Now you can actually download an offline editor for Scratch. So if you don't have internet or anything, you can still make projects there. And there's an option where you can share it to the website and everything like that. So basically, yeah. And this is a search button. You can just search anything really, like platforming engines. Search that. See what we find. And there's all these projects, but then users. Not really any users named platforming engine. Forums. I need a platforming engine. Help with platforming engine. Studios. Platform engines. So yeah, that's basically it. And so that's that. And then right next to it, you have your messages. See, I have one notification. It'll show up in this little orange circle. Well, sometimes if you have a double or triple digit number there. I've never seen a quadruple digit number, ever. So, unless you got featured and you're like a really popular scratcher, try that. Try and make a featured project. So you can get 1,000 messages. Let's see. So, oh my. Oh no, that's not what I wanted to do. Alright, so you just click this link, and it goes to the user that did whatever, or I just did that. So it goes to that comment, and bang, goes to my main account. It's just me, so I just made this little thing. I don't know why. I was bored. And so that's the messages. You can get like messages like Penguin Ghost is following you, you know, there's a new activity in so-and-so studio, and like comments, and just comments and alerts. I don't know what that does. Not really anything that I've seen so far, but, you know, anything. So-and-so loved your project, you know. Alright, then next, we have my stuff. It's all your projects, shared or not, and you can sort them, shared projects, unshared projects, my studios. You can make a new studio or a new project. This is all your trash. Like if I was to delete this project, see, now it's in the trash. I'll just put it back because we'll use that in the next video. And that's basically it. Then you will use the profile. I'm gonna go through that. And you can comment your profile if you want to. And my stuff, you could just click that. But account settings, you can change like your location. I think that's pretty much it. You can change your password. You can change your email. You know, some Scratch updates. You know, those have kind of been spamming my email lately. Scratch 2 is ready for an update. I don't know. So then you can just sign out. I'm not going to do that, but you know what sign out means. I hope you do. Otherwise, yeah. So you can change your email, password, location, and that's basically it. So right here, there's a bunch of other stuff. Oh yeah, here's the languages. See? So you could probably switch it to like, whatever that is. And then, explore, see, created in whatever language. There's probably not many. See, there's only 2. But, you know, it's a language. No, that's not what I wanted. Am I? None in that. Oh, come on. English. There we go. Let's see, latest feature projects. Am I? Oh, of course, past 30 days. So these are all the featured projects. I think they only stay featured for a month or so. And I think that's about it. So I'm gonna call it quits on this video, guys. See you later.